Now guys, it's your chance. I have managed this iPhone XS Max, and now you have the chance to win this beautiful phone. Look at that, in beautiful gold. And this phone you can win. You guys are amazing these days, and that's why I will give you something back. What you have to do is, first step, like this video, then subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that the notification clock is on. Next step is like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me." And then guys, you are able to win this beautiful phone. And yes, good luck to everyone. And now enjoy this video.